"I'm too old to have children now," Kim said to her friend, "but I have a lot of money. I have enough money to adopt children. I am going to adopt 2 baby children. I am going to adopt a baby girl and a baby boy." Kim went to the adoption agency. She said, "I want 2 babies, please. I want a little girl and a little boy." The woman at the agency said okay. She told Kim to fill out many forms. Kim had to fill out lots of forms. After she filled out all the forms, Kim gave them to the woman. The woman told her that now Kim must wait. She had to wait for the 2 babies. "How long do I have to wait?" Kim asked. The woman said Kim might have to wait 1 year. Kim said, "That's okay. I can wait 1 year."